What's up, world? I know you've been wondering and thinking, and the rumors are true. I'm wearing my Pop On Veneers right now, and everything that I've read and reviewed and saw is definitely true. The price is substantially cheaper than going to a dentist. $25,000 is ridiculous. Just to sit in a chair to do what you can do at home for free. I got my first impression kit, didn't go too well, and the crazy thing is they sent me another second impression kit for free. That went through good, and now this is the end result. Had a couple teeth missing, went to the dentist, and they want to charge you an arm and a leg for something that shouldn't cost you an arm and a leg. So definitely look into these Pop-On veneers. They are the truth. I was very skeptical like Annie and everybody else, but after reading and seeing the reviews and now trying it for myself, I couldn't be happier. So trust me, this is the real deal. Believe the hype for once. I'm an ordinary guy with an ordinary job. I'm nobody special, not a paid sponsor, nobody like that. So if I was you having some dental issues, this is definitely where it's at. So look into it. Pop On Veneers. It's a good thing.